They are 17mm nut and bolt. And now I'm gonna remove this is a 10mm bolt here. It's bolted right there on the motor mount. Alright, now with the motor mount bolts removed from beneath the truck, now we're gonna remove this one on the side here. It's a 17mm bolt, so we can lift up the motor mount and pull out the rack and pinion. Yeah. Let the under okay, like this, and then I can try to get out. Okay, and that's it. Alright, now both of them here, the new one and the old one, and I'm gonna be showing you just in a second how damaged this one is. I mean, the damage is inside, it's very bad, so my friend is gonna move it so he can show you how it is. Do it, grab it from here, so see how it is, really damaged. See how damaged it is. Vea cómo está dañado. Ese no está supuesto a ser así. Ahora el otro, now the other one. See, nothing. My friend is trying to move it and nothing happens. It cannot move back and forth because this one is good, of course. See, as you can see, this is the information here for the new rack and pinion. Now we're just getting some help with the impact gun, but we're not tightening the bolts with the impact gun at all because we have to torque this bolt with the manufacturer specifications. 17mm bolt. Now we're gonna tie the bolt in the bottom here for the 17mm nut and bolt for the motor mount. Now we're using the impact gun only to get the bolts all the way in, but we're not tightening them at this point. We gotta use the torque specification. Remember, when you take out the old tie rods, you have to measure with a measuring tape or either count the rounds to have a reference to install the new one like this one right now. Now the shaft on this rack and pinion came center ready, so I didn't have to do anything. Otherwise you have to get it in the center before installing the intermediate shaft. I'm gonna try to put the boot here. Now this boot remains loose because it's damaged, it's all toasted, it has shrank a lot. So I'm gonna put it that way, but it remains a little bit loose. Now if this shaft doesn't want to come in right there where the 12mm bolt is, tap it here a little bit and usually comes down. And now what we have done is we already put the tie rod here. Here you can install it completely, but here we have this loose. It's in place because we don't know yet when we do the alignment, the wheel alignment here. Now if you see the carry pin here, it's very short. I don't like when the carry pins are too long and bent only one leg. Place a little bit like this, so it will be easier in the near future to get it out. Alright, update. The problem has been fixed. The car also has been driven. It's driving very good. No more problems, no more cracks. It needs some alignment. Of course, the alignment has to be done. That will be in another video. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.